Here are the 20 key points from Chapter 8, Sharing the Road, of the 2023 Alberta Driver Guide. Always yield to pedestrians, especially in crosswalks. Cyclists have the same rights as vehicles. Give 1m clearance. Motorcyclists may change position within their lane. Don't crowd. Watch for motorcyclists, especially at night and during lane changes. Large commercial vehicles need more space to turn and stop. Stay out of truck blind spots. If you can't see the driver, they can't see you. Log hauling vehicles take longer to stop. Don't cut in front of them. Stop when school bus red lights flash. Don't pass from either direction. Slow down and yield to snowplows. Stay back from snow clouds. Approach railway crossings with caution. Stop if lights are flashing. Never stop on railway tracks. Ensure full clearance before crossing. Vehicles with hazardous materials must stop at railway crossings. Light rail transit, LRT, has priority. Never drive on its tracks. Off-highway vehicles must follow regulations. Avoid public roadways unless permitted. Funeral processions have right-of-way. Don't cut in or pass. Share space respectfully in parking lots, construction zones, and narrow streets. Yield to vehicles towing trailers. They may turn wide. Use caution near cyclists at intersections. Check blind spots. Be extra cautious near visually impaired pedestrians. Give priority to vulnerable road users in all situations. Here are the 50 MCQs and answers to help you remember key points from Chapter 8, Sharing the Road. Who has the right-of-way at a pedestrian crosswalk? A. Cyclists. B. Vehicles. C. Pedestrians. D. Emergency vehicles. Answer. C. When must a vehicle stop for a pedestrian at a crosswalk? A. If the pedestrian is on the same side. B. If the pedestrian is crossing. C. Always. D. If pedestrian is approaching or in crosswalk. Answer. D. What must drivers do at marked and unmarked crosswalks? A. Honk. B. Yield to pedestrians. C. Speed through. D. Wave pedestrians to hurry. Answer. B. What should you do if a visually impaired person is crossing with a white cane? A. Honk. B. Rev engine. C. Stop and wait until they cross. D. Guide them. Answer. C. When approaching a school bus with red lights flashing, drivers must A. Slow down. B. Stop in both directions unless on a divided highway. C. Honk. D. Pass with caution. Answer. B. What should you do near playgrounds and schools? A. Use horn. B. Increase speed. C. Reduce speed and watch for children. D. Turn on high beams. Answer. C. What should you do if a cyclist signals a left turn? A. Ignore it. B. Yield if needed. C. Honk. D. Pass on the left. Answer. B. What's the minimum safe distance when passing a cyclist? A. 0.5 m. B. 1 m. C. 2 m. D. Just enough to squeeze through. Answer. B. Cyclists must follow A. Different road rules. B. Pedestrian rules. C. Same rules as motor vehicles. D. Sidewalk-only rules. Answer. C. When is it illegal to drive in a bike lane? A. Always. B. When bike is present. C. Unless turning or parking were permitted. D. When cyclist signals. Answer. C. What should you watch for when passing parked vehicles? A. Tire pressure. B. Open doors from parked cars. C. License plates. D. Broken lights. Answer. B. Motorcycles are harder to see because A. They're louder. B. They travel slower. C. They are smaller and may hide in blind spots. D. They stop frequently. Answer. C. When following a motorcycle, you should A. Stay close. B. Use high beams. C. Allow more space. D. Honk often. Answer. C. Why should you not share a lane with a motorcycle? A. It's legal. B. They may tip. C. They need full lane to maneuver safely. D. They move slower. Answer. C. What's a blind spot? A. Where headlights can't reach. B. An area not visible in mirrors. C. A narrow road. D. An unlit street. Answer. B. Large commercial vehicles have. A. Smaller blind spots. B. No blind spots. C. Larger blind spots on all sides. D. Side-facing headlights. Answer. C. How can you tell if you're in a truck's blind spot? A. Can't see their wheels. B. Truck is honking. C. You can't see the truck driver's mirrors. D. You're behind the cab. Answer. C. What should you do when a large truck signals a lane change? A. Block it. B. Accelerate. C. Give them space. D. Honk. Answer. C. Why do large vehicles need more space to turn? A. For trailer swing. B. For passenger entry. C. To see road signs. D. Due to speed. Answer. A. What should you do if a large vehicle is backing up? A. Drive behind it. B. Honk to pass. C. Stay out of its path. D. Flash headlights. Answer. C. What is a wide turn hazard? A. When a vehicle turns tightly. B. When a long vehicle swings wide and may enter other lanes. C. A type of trailer. D. Emergency turn. Answer. B. Best action when a commercial vehicle follows too closely. A. Speed up. B. Brake check. C. Allow more space ahead. D. Honk. Answer. C. What must you do when emergency vehicles have flashing lights? A. Stop wherever you are. B. Speed up to help. C. Move to the right and stop. D. Turn on hazard lights. Answer. C. Fine for not yielding to emergency vehicles.
A. $57.
B. $287. C. $810. D. No fine. Answer. C. When an emergency vehicle is stopped with lights on multi-lane highway, you must A. Stop. B. Speed up. C. Move over one lane if safe, or slow to 60 kilometers per hour. D. Stay in your lane. Answer. C. Alberta's move over law requires A. Drive in center lane. B. Move over or slow near emergency/service vehicles. C. Stop immediately. D. Exit the road. Answer. B. When can you pass a stopped emergency vehicle with lights flashing? A. Never. B. When safe and 60 kilometers per hour or less. C. Only if directed. D. During the day. Answer. B. Approaching a stopped tow truck with flashing lights. A. Drive around fast. B. Stay in lane. C. Move over or slow down. D. Honk. Answer. C. Who else is protected by the move over law besides police and ambulances? A. Firefighters. B. Tow truck drivers. C. Maintenance and utility workers. D. All of the above. Answer. D. Best way to pass a horse-drawn vehicle. A. Speed up. B. Honk. C. Pass slowly and carefully. D. Swerve. Answer. C. Caution around farm equipment because of A. High speed. B. Wide loads. C. Hazard lights. D. Tire marks. Answer. B. The slow-moving vehicle sign shape is A. Red circle. B. Orange triangle. C. Yellow diamond. D. Blue square. Answer. B. Purpose of slow-moving vehicle sign. A. Identify off-road vehicles. B. Warn a vehicle traveling less than 40 kilometers per hour. C. Mark parked cars. D. Signify road workers. Answer. B. Lane farm vehicles should use A. Left. B. Emergency. C. Right. D. Middle.
Answer. C.
Drivers must share rural roads with A. Cyclists, B. Wildlife, C. Farm machinery, D. All of the above.
Answer. D.
Encountering wildlife on road, do A. Accelerate, B. Swerve, C. Brake firmly and stay in lane, D. Honk continuously.
Answer. C.
At night, spotting animals aided by A. Horn, B. Headlight reflection in eyes, C. Hazard lights, D. Brake lights.
Answer.
B. Wildlife most active on roads. A. Midday, B. Dawn and dusk, C. Afternoon, D. Night only.
Answer. B.
Truck no zones are A. Parking spots, B. Areas not visible to drivers, C. Loading zones, D. Exit areas.
Answer. B.
Safe following distance behind a truck. A. 1 second, B. 2 seconds, C. For plus seconds, D. None.
Answer. C. When merging near a cyclist, always
A. Honk, B. Cut in closely, C. Yield and check blind spots, D. Ignore them.
Answer. C.
A motorcyclist swerving may be avoiding A. Showing off, B. Wind, C. Road hazards, D. Lane confusion.
Answer. C.
Protect vulnerable road users by A. Obey speed zones, B. Avoid distractions, C. Yield where required, D. All of the above.
Answer. D.
Cyclists may swerve due to A. Road debris, B. Potholes, C. Opening car doors, D. All of the above.
Answer. D.
School bus rules must stop for red lights unless A. Always stop, B. Divided highway separates lanes, C. Only on highways, D. Nighttime.
Answer. B. Near construction zones, drivers must
A. Speed up, B. Honk, C. Obey flag persons and signs, D. Drive as usual.
Answer. C.
When driving near construction workers, A. Use cruise control, B. Stop and wait, C. Be alert and follow directions, D. Drive in opposing lane.
Answer. C.
Avoid doing near utility vehicles. A. Passing without caution, B. Stopping, C. Slowing down, D. Signaling.
Answer. A.
Ensure safety around school zones by A. Accelerate early, B. Honk when unsure, C. Obey posted limits and watch children, D. Stay in left lane.
Answer. C.
Sharing the road responsibly means A. Driving alone, B. Ignoring small vehicles, C. Giving space and showing patience, D. Controlling other drivers.
Answer. C.